Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining this ALICE workshop focused on the bridge project on digitalization in intermodal freight transport. Today, this session is part of our work to support the innovation uptake and also to support the data exchange. Just a few rules about the webinar. About the workshop, sorry. The session is recorded, so all the records and the presentations will be shared afterwards. Please keep your microphone muted when you are not speaking. Keep your camera off unless you have the floor, and write your question in the chat. Unfortunately, for the GDPR, no AI-based tools are allowed during the workshop, so we will remove them in case they will appear. This is the agenda. This is part of my intervention, so the welcome and the introduction. I'm Giuseppe Luppino. I'm representing ALICE, the Alliance for Logistics Innovation through Collaboration in Europe. Then Eric Feyen from WIR UIRR will introduce Bridge and its purpose. After that, we will move into the intermodal perspective, including data exchange needs and, let's say, the vision up to the 2030. Then we will open also the discussion and the Q&A, and we close with the next steps. But as it is a workshop which is open to everybody, not only to the ALICE members, I would like just to shortly introduce what is ALICE. ALICE is the Alliance for Logistics Innovation through Collaboration in Europe. We are a non-profit association based in Brussels, recognized by the European Commission as European Technology Platform, and our role is to bring stakeholders together and help shape research and innovation agendas for freight transport and logistics. How we can do it? ALICE is working across different programs and themes linked to freight transport and logistics innovation. This includes, for sure, also digitalization, data exchange, for example, electronic freight transport information, artificial intelligence, digital twin, but also applied in rail, ports and the hubs, urban logistics. And we also connect these topics with key events, policy monitoring, Horizon Europe opportunities, and knowledge sharing activities for members. As you can see, we have also a number of projects here which are supporting this activity. In particular, this activity is relevant for the ALICE thematic group 2, which focuses on corridors, hubs, and synchromodality. So here, the digitalization is a practical enabler for better coordination between ports, terminals, and dealer hubs and rail services, of course, which improves also the reliability and the capacity and the interoperability across multimodal freight transport. If you are not a member of ALICE, these are the value for our members. We connect companies, research organizations around innovation, sustainability, and public affairs. And we help members to identify right people to collaborate with others and to frame also the European policy and funding developments. We also launched a call for use cases and proof of concept. The idea is to collect concrete operational experiences, including both successful cases and more challenging ones, so that we can learn from practice. So the contribution should explain the problem addressed and the operational context. And this material will support us also to create future webinars, workshops, cross-project exchange, and to enrich the knowledge platform of ALICE. So before to leave the floor to the speakers, I would like to also leave the floor to my colleague Pablo, which explain something about this interesting transport survey webinar.
Hello everyone. So the next April 20th from 3 to 4:30, we will have this. The title is a placeholder, but we will have the intermodal transport survey webinar. We already launched a white paper on the intermodal transport and how it's in Europe. You can access with the link below or with the QR code to the webpage that it sends you to the white paper. And about this webinar, first we will have Fernando making an introduction with Paula Chiarini from DigiMove explaining the funding opportunities ahead on this intermodal transport. Then I will talk about resilience and intermodality. I will present two of my projects that will end in May and June that are Sarin and Remonet. They are on resilience, and I will present some key results and innovations. And also I will talk about the TRA 2026 that it will be on the week of 18th of May in Budapest. And there will be some the plenary strategy session and the special session in resilience. And also we will have there the final event of Sail and Remonet, and you are more than welcome to attend if you are in the TRA. And we will have also the Alice booth, like I think it's 150 square meters like the previous 2 years in Dublin, and we will have there a lot of different projects, not only Alice project, but project that Elias with us. And regarding the survey, search from Transparent Now Trimble, he will present the survey and the further reflection we have when we finish it. And I think that's all. Thank you, Giuseppe.
Thank you to you, Pablo. And I leave the floor also to my colleague Florian about a project which is very close to the bridge one.
Yes, hello. May I introduce you the IFAS project? So the IFAS is a project which intends to create a public showcase platform based upon the so-called intermodal map, where you can search for terminals, where you can also find routes from A to B powered by a routing engine. And the IFAS intends to have a very low barrier to enter the intermodal domain for interested parties. The project partners are SGKV, Hakon, UIRR, and Alice. And the project just started. If you may want, you can search it on the internet, on Google, just type in IFAS, and you will find there some further information. It's just fresh, but there's more to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Florian. And that's it.